Hi students, welcome to Yash Academy Karad. In this video, I am going to discuss the most important multiple choice question which may be asked in upcoming NEET or JEE entrance examination. This question is from chemical bonding and based on the isoelectronic species. Now read the question. Which one of the following represents all isoelectronic species? Here four options are given. So before selecting the correct option from the given, I will teach you the actual meaning of isoelectronic species and tricks to remember the isoelectronic species. So first of all, isoelectronic species, the species which may be atoms, ions or molecules, they are having same number of electrons and they are having similar electronic configuration. So by using this formula, number of electrons is equal to Z, that is the atomic number, minus charge for cations. Means you have to subtract the positive charge from atomic number, and if there is a anion, then add negative charge so as to calculate the number of electrons in any atom or ion. For atoms, number of electrons is equal to atomic number, that is the number of protons. So this formula is very important, or these points are very important as far as isoelectronic species concerned. Now tricks to remember. How to remember the isoelectronic species? First, start with noble gas. Noble gases: helium, neon, argon, krypton. Second, add or remove protons, that is the positive charge or number of electrons, to find ions with the same number of electron count. The number of electrons can be calculated by using this formula, total number of electrons. And last thing is very important, that is the atomic size decreases in isoelectronic species as nuclear charge increases, that is the atomic number increases. Now this is the chart. If you remember these charts, it becomes very easy to select the option or correct option from the given. Total electrons: 2 electrons, 10 electrons, 18 electrons, 36 electrons. Isoelectronic species, there are three parts, because you have to start with noble gas. Noble gas: helium, neon, argon, krypton. Atomic number 2, 10, 18, 36, or same number of electrons. Anions to the left hand side and positive ions, that is the cations, to the right hand side. So for 2 electrons, anion is a H minus ion. Both are having the same number of electrons and similar electronic configuration. Now 10 electron species, neon is an inert gas element or noble gas element. F minus ion and oxygen 2 minus ions. Na plus ion and Mg2 plus ions. All these species, anions, inert noble gas as well as cations, have the same number of electrons, that is 10 electrons, and similar electronic configuration. For 18 electrons, the species are: first, noble gas is argon, anion Cl minus, S2 minus ion, cations K plus ion, Ca2 plus ion, and for 36 electrons, krypton is a noble gas. There krypton, it has the same number of electrons with Br minus as well as Ac2 minus as well as Rb plus, Sr2 plus. So with the help of this chart, we can easily find out the isoelectronic species from the given. Now you have to find out the correct option. Here krypton is a given, Ca2 plus, K plus and Cl minus ion. You should remember the atomic size decreases in isoelectronic species as nuclear charge increases. So from here atomic size goes on decreasing. So anions have large and cations have smaller atomic size. Now argon, here argon, next Cl minus, then K plus and Ca plus. So this D is the correct option of this multiple choice question. Thanks for watching this video.